Hello, Sir Leo. This is transmission and reception of SOS distress signal using Morse light. This report explains the method of transmitting and receiving a distress signal SOS using Morse code via light signals in accordance with the international regulations to preventing collisions at sea, Colreg Annex 4 and the International Code of Sign ICS. The distress signal SOS is expressed in Morse code as S3 short flashes, O 3 long flashes, S3 short flashes. Ang Sir is short daw na flashes, ang O is long. Kini siya is na-recognize din siya nga nangayo og tabang, universally recognized as a call for help. Equipment used is signal lamp, flashlight, AIDS lamp, or any focus beam light source. Step-by-step signal procedure. Point the light in the decision of potential observers. Signal the SOS in the following sequence. 3 short flashes, it's lasting 1 second with 1 second intervals. 3 long flashes, it's lasting 3 seconds with 1 second interval. 3 short flashes, each lasting 1 second with 1 second intervals. Then post ka 3 to 5 seconds, then outro na pod. That is the use of SOS signals calling for help, sir.